Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off RCS chat on Google Messages app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin. First, you will need just to open your Google app or Google Messages app. And here we are going to follow this Help Center article of the Google Messages website. And from here, we will learn how we can either turn our RCS chat feature on or off. So simply we will be needing to go to our settings. So here you will be needing to be on the Google Message app. And the first thing that you will see is the conversation list. From there, we will be needing to go to the message settings after tapping on the profile icon that you will find on the corner. By clicking on it, we will need to go to Messages Settings. Then we will find RCS Chat. And basically, you can tap either on or off for the RCS Chat. And as you can see, for some versions, you won't find RCS Chat directly, but you will find chat features. So if you find either RCS Chat directly, you can access to it, and then either you enable it or disable it, depending on what you would like. And if you do not find it, you will find another option that says chat features, and from there you will be able to add or to access the RCS chat from there, and then you can enable it and disable it however you desire. At the end, when it is enabled, you will be able to start using the RCS chat feature, like having an end-to-end encryption messaging, and from here you will start having like a more secured messaging way, and you will be able to start sending high quality pictures, high quality videos, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.